Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, you need to open Devices settings and tap on My Phone section right away. Then tap on Device Name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, just click on OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!